Welcome to this lesson on geometry. Today we are going to explore a fascinating relationship between size and area. Specifically, how the area of a shape changes when you change its size. We call this the surface area ratio, or the square of the scale factor. First, we need to understand the scale factor, which we often call K. The scale factor is simply a multiplier for length. If you have a line and you double its length, your scale factor K is 2. If you triple the length, K is 3. It basically tells us how much longer one dimension has become. Here is where it gets interesting. On the left, we see linear growth. If we double the length of a line, it just becomes twice as long. But look at the square on the right. If we double the side length of a square, the area does not just double. It actually quadruples. A larger square with side length 2 holds 4 of the smaller squares. This leads us to the golden rule of area scaling. If the scale factor is K, then the area ratio is K squared. This means the new area is equal to the old area multiplied by the scale factor squared. We do not just multiply by K, we multiply by K times K. Let us verify this visually. Here we have a square where we have tripled the side length, so our scale factor, K, is 3. If you count the squares inside, you will see there are not 3 squares, but 9. That is because 3 squared equals 9. The area has grown by a factor of 9. You might be wondering, does this apply to 3-dimensional objects like cubes or spheres? The answer is a resounding yes. When we talk about the surface area of a 3D object, we are essentially talking about a 2-dimensional area wrapped around a shape. So the same rule applies. Let us calculate it for a cube. On the left, we have a cube with a side length of 2 centimeters. Its surface area is 24 square centimeters. If we scale it up by a factor of 3, the side becomes 6 centimeters. The new surface area is 216. Notice that 216 is exactly 9 times 24. The area increased by 3 squared. Here is a classic real-world example: pizza sizes. An 16-inch pizza is twice as wide as an 8-inch pizza, so the scale factor is 2. But because area scales by K squared, the 16-inch pizza actually contains 2 squared, or 4 times as much pizza. You get way more food than you might think. To summarize, always remember, scale factor K applies to lengths, like the side of a square or the radius of a circle. But for area or surface area, the ratio is K squared. So if you double the size, you quadruple the area. Keep this rule in mind, and you will never be tricked by dimensions again.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.